Hello, welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. It was all about women empowerment on Saturday night as Fame Frequency showcased some of dancehall's leading ladies. The event, positioned as bad and bougie, saw a few of the ladies from the female artist only Pink Rhythm performing in a special freestyle segment. Veteran artist Maca Diamond joined in via Zoom as emerging acts Goody Plum, Pretty Devil and Sasik joined the Angel, Pampute and Rain Seville on set. Here is a taste of a few of the ladies from Fame Frequency on Saturday night.
Give them something to talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me, yeah. Tell me name out and no nasty mouth.
Him say my body nice until him don't want left. Him not gonna catch us in this way, him don't want catch. Him not gonna catch us in this way, him don't want catch.
Me have a little thing for hook them man, yeah. Community body, community body. Me nah join the neighbor who watch me sa community body. One drop.
The Angel, the first lady of dancehall, also added her voice to the significance of the show of unity and strength among female acts in the dancehall industry.
It's always a good look, the unity, to show the unity amongst female artists. So we're always having fun, we all get along together, and it's a great vibe. Big up to Delamar from RDX for making this possible.
Created by former RDX member Delamar, the Pink Rhythm also features Yannick Curvy Diva, Lisa Hyper, Tall Up, and Kim Weirdo.
And I'm trying to empower females because them don't get a whole heap of strength in the music, you know. I could have built a rhythm and have a lot of male artists on it and stuff with females, but I choose to do a all-female rhythm, you know, because I just want to give back to the females them in the business.
Fame Frequency continues to be a must-watch event as it trends at #1 on a Saturday night and is expected to do the same as starved soca lovers are invited to a soca versus dancehall party on Saturday. Now, on the international scene, the highly anticipated James Bond film has again been delayed for a third time due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The 25th installment of the film, titled No Time to Die, will now globally debut on October 8, 2021. No Time to Die marks actor Daniel Craig's final appearance as British Secret Service agent 007. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.